Universal Fit Kit. Great Assortment Push Retainer Kit with 6 popular size, fitting for door trim, radiator shield yoke, fender, bumper and splash shield retainers replacement for Ford, GM, Chrysler, Toyota, Honda and more. Save time and money. You can find 200 PCS automotive push-type retainer kit in the box and no need to go to a auto parts store to look for different fasteners. High quality material with heavy-duty construction for durability. This push-type retainers set would not break or crack easily during use. Most common sizes, do not worry about lost or damaged body fasteners. All the necessary retainers for exact replacement of old and broken retainer. Package includes 30 PCs 6 mm clips, 30 PCs 7 mm clips, 30 PCs 8 mm clips, YT, 1362, 50 PCs 8 mm push clips, YT, 3143, 30 PCs 9 mm clips, 30 PCs 10 mm clips. Top reviews from the United States. Thorough kit. Comes with several different sizes and types of fasteners and matched what I needed for my Honda Fit. A good price and quantity compared to others I have bought in the past.